How to fix Instagram app is not opening problem. Instagram app is not working problem. If you're having this problem when you open your Instagram app but not open Instagram app, let's start the video. First, you have to just go to your mobile settings, click on the mobile settings app. Now you have to just scroll up and now find here the apps options. Otherwise, you can find the app management options in your settings. Click on the apps options. If find any app management options, then click on the app management options. Now click on the first top bar here, search bar options. Click on here and search Instagram. Just find the Instagram. Now you can find here the Instagram app. Click on the Instagram app. Now you have to just scroll down and now you can find here storage options. Some mobile have storage use options. Click on the storage options. Now you can find here the clear cache options and now have to clear data options. You have to just click on the clear cache options. If you remember your Instagram account password, then you can do the clear data. You can find the clear data options and click and do. If you remember your Instagram password, then you have to just click on the delete options, do this, then go to the back. Now you have to just here click and find your data or any mobile Wi-Fi has been off or not. If any off or any on, you have to just, if then off, then you have to just turn on. Then go to the back. Now you have to here open your Play Store app, and now Play Store app, now you can find the search bar, and after find the search bar, Instagram app you will find. Now you can find the Instagram app. Now you have to update your Instagram app from Play Store, and now you can see your Instagram app will be easily open. Now you can log in and use your Instagram account. So then after update your Instagram app, now you can easily open your Instagram app. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel Gen1 Guides.